channel. Today everybody a bit surprised about the weather, because the weather, it is like summer come back. We've got 28 degrees and I'm going on the beach, and also I'm going for a little short break, so I will make a room tour and everything, so see you soon. First of all, apartment looks so fresh and nice, like brand new. Anyway, I've got some, I spotted a few defects that I have to film and record, so because I had to pay a deposit, so better to have some evidence. So those marks are not made by me. This is not me, this is how it was. Then we've got a beautiful wardrobe. Very nice and spacious. Very cool. Nice smell inside. Nothing like Poznań. Then we've got the door, which are okay. Just there is nothing wrong with it. Oh, here the walls, again we can see some marks on the walls. Then we can see the beautiful door. I talk about the white door in my home, but finally I went for the wood effect door. So nice gray tiles, everything here works great. So this is everything absolutely fine. Oh my god, nice bathroom. Bathroom, it is, I think, very nice. Very nice. Everything very clean. Always on the pictures on booking, everything looks so bigger, and then you are here and everything, it is a bit smaller. But anyway, I like it. I love the chair and I love the picture, I love the color. So we can see that everything on the wall, it is fine. Just we can see a little pinch here, and I think this is it. Everything else, it is okay. Just wall a little bit dirty. I like this, very nice picture. Then I think everything, it is okay. This is really stressful when you have to pay 120 euro of deposit, and then they can say anything, that something was wrong, and just maybe it is you, who knows. I like the view. The view, it is really beautiful. Oh my god. It is very nice. Very warm. I can see myself here, so it's gonna be really great to make a picture. And the view, it is nice. So let's go back. kitchen, I think it is okay. Here, little flower, very cute, very nice colors and everything. I like the sofa. The sofa, it is like a bit tired. Chair will be very similar chair in the next place I will be. So very cool. Just I think it is a little bit too big for this room because it is just very small. So kitchen, it is nice, very cool colors, just white, and the floor, it is very nice. I don't know if this is tiles or not. This is just wood or wood effect. Anyway, here everything fine, everything fine. So we've got some cutlery. Is it? Just in Poznan everything was so dirty. I like this. This is IKEA for sure. And then we've got something like this. What we've got there? Okay. This is also very cute. Very nice. How sweet is that? So I think I show you everything and we check together. I could stay here for a week. Microwave, okay, interesting. Some surprises, very nice colors. I like it. Okay, empty shelf. And what we've got there? This and this. Okay, so this is important to check how many mugs we've got. Like 6, a few glasses, 1 short, 5 wine glasses. So I don't need that for sure. Okay, so I think it is fine. The bedroom, it is also okay. Like I said, we've got some defects on the wall, but this is not me, definitely. I just came here and I just did my video there. Very cute, very nice colors. I like it. It is very beautiful. So can you see this? Like, I'm pretty sure that you can clean it, but a warm water and just cloth. We've got the wardrobe, nice with the big mirror. I really like it. Okay, so I think everything is fine. Just sometimes we can see a small defects on the wall, but everything else, it is just perfect.